I'm a voice for women who die in silence. Yes, Jen. I'm always hearing that from you. If you've been sitting on the floor, you're like, whoo, whoo. And I'm like, yeah, that's Jen. It's an honor to be here. I'm humbled to stand in front of women in this International Women's Month. To every woman that's here, happy International Women's Month. We haven't spoken about it, but that's what it is this month. So to everyone that's here, happy one, ladies, happy one. Celebrate yourselves, man. Celebrate yourselves. This has to be the shortest time I've given in my history of speaking, and I'll try. Please, Cora, help me with time. I can speak. I can speak. So I've only got 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm out of here. Let's talk about our vaginas. That was the topic. And when I listened to the topic, I sat and I said, vaginas. As a motivational speaker, what are you going to say? I am saying to you, women, you are enough. Your life has a purpose. Your story is important. Your voice matters. You are born to make an impact. Woman, you are enough. When you are created, it was not a mistake. You are unique. You are everything that you are born to be. But there is something that women have graduated from with distinctions. And tonight I am saying to women, let's take that crown off. Because before God created you, He knew you. Each and every hip, big nose, sharp nose, straight hair, afro, anything that you have, it was given to you for a purpose. But women nowadays have distinctions in PhD, pull her down syndrome. And tonight I am saying to women, take it off. You don't need it. It is not necessary in your life. Why is it not necessary in your life? Because we're in times of uncertainty. We need to walk together in unity. But as a woman, you cannot do that unless you know your purpose. Woman, you are enough. You're probably sitting here and you're saying, how do I discover my purpose? How do I know my purpose? There's only one way to discover purpose. To sit with yourself and be content with the gifts and the talents that are bestowed upon your life. The problem with us women, you look at a Pandora, not everyone is going to be an advocate of change. Not everyone has the voice to speak. But the gift that you have can empower another woman. So I'm saying to women tonight, who are you? What is your purpose? You see, I will share a bit about my journey. Purpose costs you. Purpose comes with sacrifices. Pandora became an advocate of change because she's a runaway bride, 2 months away from her wedding, to a multi-millionaire. I left it all behind when I found Pandora. Pandora was dying in silence. Pandora was becoming an alcoholic because this man is not hearing a voice. But I was keeping myself in my own prison. So I had a choice to make and say, what is my purpose? And when I sat in that mansion and I had all the material things, I looked at my life and I said, the world is envying who I am, but behind the closed doors, they do not know that I'm a child that is dying in silence. And I decided to rise up so that I become a voice for women who are hiding behind my cup, who are hiding behind the big cars, who are hiding behind the big addresses, because you are thinking, woman, you are not enough. There is no such thing as overnight success. It does not exist. Instagram is lying to you. Instagram and Facebook, they're lying to you.